celebration of Children's Day can never be complete without remembering the contributions of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The happy conjunction of this special day for children and birth anniversary of their Chacha Nehru is not a coincidence. It's way of remembering the great leader's fondness and love for children and its efforts towards bettering their lives. So, on this 131st birth anniversary, let us revisit Nehru's famous words of advice that he had written to his daughter Indira Gandhi, which can still be hailed for inspiring today's younger generation and is the best advice a father can give. You know, sweetheart, how I dislike sermonizing and doing out good advice. I have always thought the best way to find out what is right, what is not right, what should be done, and what should not be done is not by giving a sermon, but by talking and discussing. And out of discussion, sometimes a little bit of truth comes out. I have liked my talks with you, and we have discussed many things, but the world is wide. And beyond our world lie other wonderful and mysterious worlds. None of us need ever be bold or imagine that we have learned everything worth learning and become very wise. Never do anything in secret or anything that you would wish to hide. For the desire to hide anything means that you are afraid, and fear is a bad thing and unworthy of you. Be brave, and all the rest follows. We are not afraid of what we do or what we say. We work in the sun and in the light. Even so, in our private lives, let us make friends with the sun and work in the light and do nothing secretly. And if you do so, my dear, you will grow up a child of the light, unafraid and serene and unruffled, whatever may happen. We must remember that money is no good by itself. It only helps us to get other things that we want. It helps us to exchange goods. Some foolish people imagine that money itself is good. They collect and hoard it instead of using it. This shows that they do not know how money came to be used and what it really is. These Nehru's words to his daughter Indira Gandhi will remain a timeless piece of advice. So happy Children's Day to all. Let's celebrate this day with happiness and enjoy the gift of childhood.
Hello everyone, happy Children's Day.
My wish for you is that you see the light in this world, in yourself and in others. I see the light in you. Compliment others and be proud of your own accomplishments. I'm proud of you. Believe in yourself, for you are stronger than you know. I believe in you. Try hard but know your limits. Ask if you need help and trust, I will help you. Fill your heart with laughter and smile often. I love to see your smile. You are a unique, special, and amazing person. There will never be another you. I appreciate all my students. Dream, believe, wonder, inspire, love, nurture, and always listen. That is what I will do for you. I call my children the kids because you are not just the names in the list of my class, but you are a part of my heart. Happy Children's Day.
Be wide, be a child. Jump, play, take a ride. Smile wide. Keep your phone aside. Give them your precious time. As little, they won't be for very long. Enjoy their day. Let them celebrate their way. Happy Children's Day. Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th of November on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Children also called him Chacha Nehru because of the love of him towards the kids. It's celebrated all over the country. Jawaharlal Nehru was a great leader and the first Prime Minister of India. Thank you.
I am here to recite a poem, Children's Day. Let us lift up all the children we love today. Let us lift up all the children we met. Let us lift up all the promise of small-hearted of the children we don't know yet. Let us lift up the children with the families. Let us lift children alone. Let us lift children with the strong voices. Before all the children are grown up, let us lift up the children who worked in fields and went to school to play. Let us lift up all the world children together. Let us lift up all the children, I pray. Thank you.
Children are the world's most valuable resources. Every child is a special in a special way, and so are you. You are the reason for all our smiles and our happiness. Children, you are the future of the country. So this day, I wish you all a joy and success. A very happy Children's Day. May you all have a fun-filled time.
Hello, my name is Rahini Sharma from class 5 Irvela Balika Vidyapeeth, Bland, and today I am going to sing a poem on Children's Day. The title of my poem is My Handprint. Here is my handprint, 5 fingers in all. Outside they are short, but the middle is tall. You can find them on windows. You can find them on the wall. They will make a big mess of something so small. One day I will grow and leave them no more, and my handprints will be missed. For that I am sure. So here is one now that you can't wipe away. My present to you this Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to all of you.
Namaskar. Hello my dear students. Today I am recite a poem on the occasion of Rashtriya Bal Divas, Children's Day celebration. It's my self-composed poem on how to get a success. अब की हमने ये जिद ठानी है सफलता किसी भी कीमत पर पानी। अब की हमने ये जिद ठानी है सफलता किसी भी कीमत पर पानी है। चाहे सामने खड़ा हो मुसीबतों का पहाड़, चाहे सामने खड़ा हो मुसीबतों का पहाड़, और चाहे ठानी हो किसी ने हमसे राड़, अब की कदम पीछे न खींचेंगे। अब की कदम पीछे न खींचेंगे, अपनी किस्मत की बगिया को मेहनत के पानी से सींचेंगे। और अब की जब कदम बढ़ाया है तो मंजिल पर जाकर ही मानेंगे। जब कदम बढ़ाया है तो मंजिल पर जाकर ही मानेंगे, क्योंकि हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी ने कहा है असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो तुम। असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो तुम। कहाँ क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो तुम। बिना कर्म किए ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। इसीलिए मैं कहता हूं कि घोर तिमिर में, तिमिर मीन्स अंधकार, घोर तिमिर में प्रकाश पुंज की एक भी किरण जब तक बाकी है, तब तक मेरा विश्वास ही मेरा साथी है। मैं मंजिल पर पहुंचूंगा, जरूर पहुंचूंगा, यही हमने जिद ठानी है। क्यों? क्योंकि सफलता किसी भी कीमत पर पानी है, सफलता किसी भी कीमत पर पानी है। जय हिंद।
My dear children, with the big dreams in your sparkling eyes, the boundless love in your heart, and the strength to make impossible happen with your little fingers, you have the potential to transform tomorrow. Our dream is to see your dreams come true. Children, you carry the hope of our brighter tomorrow and the dreams of a happy future. On this Children's Day, we all miss you being with you, and I want to wish you from here a very happy Children's Day. Children, hope to see you soon.
Happy Children's Day! Today I am going to share one of my favorite childhood games with you. I hope you will learn and enjoy. So let's start.
Happy Children's Day and Happy Diwali. Now I am here with you with your favorite song Dil Hai Chhota Sa. Dil hai chhota sa, chhoti si आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे फूल बगिया में, महके मुझे से बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चुनरिया, झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बाबरिया, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया। दिल का छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों